A beautiful 1964 Ford Thunderbird convertible. Beautiful body styles in these cars. And I don't think they ever look better than in red. Very nice chrome on the car. Full hood from back in '64. It rides on the beautiful Kelsey Hayes wire wheels with spinners, steel belted radial tires. Does have a power convertible top. How cool is that? 1964. Beautiful red bucket seat interior. These were very futuristic for 1964. Beautiful factory console with armrest, power windows. Original AM radio that still works. Rear speaker. Beautiful tail light design on these cars. Fresh dual exhaust. This is a really nice high-end driver car. This is one that you'd be thrilled to take to the golf course or drive to the beach, the local car gatherings, things like that. This car will get a lot of looks. Not to mention it's fun to drive. Very nice driving car. Still powered by its original 390 V8 engine option. Let's take a look inside. The car is in now for its checkup in our shop. This is pretty cool here. Dash lights up like that. Beautifully designed. Power windows there. Let's start it up. Starts right up. Got all your factory gauges there. Let's go take a peek under the hood. There it is right there, looking very much like the day it did when it left the Ford assembly line. Got power brakes, power steering, 390 V8. All show detail. If you'd like to get this beautiful cruiser in your garage, give me a call directly. My name is Jeff Whitaker. You can reach me at 410-562-9319.